Hi everybody, Happy New Year. I hope 2023 is off to a good start for you. Here in Portland, we have sunshine today and blue skies, which is cause enough for celebration in this house. I'm quite excited about that. It's also Sunday, so you know, it's laundry day. I'll take the lights down pretty soon, but before we end the holiday season, I wanted to share with you a song that I wrote over the holidays this past year. And it was kind of fun how it came together. I wrote the melody on the first night of Hanukkah, the first draft of the lyrics on the winter solstice, and then kind of wrapped it all together into a final draft, if you will, on Christmas Day, which is very fitting to the topic of the song, as you will see. But I did want to share it before we end this holiday season, also because it speaks to the ways in which, you know, the reflections that we have throughout this season can really guide us and shape our year to come, as I hope it does for you. So I think this is called It's That Time of Year, but as you'll see, there's a refrain about the light and the love that I may use as the title as well. You never really know when the ink is dry here, so here it is, work in progress. It's that time of year, time for telling stories, time for lighting candles, time for friends and family, time to remember what we learned long ago about the light, about the love, stories we've made our own. Some celebrate a baby, some look in darkness for the light, some remember magic oil, some look for reindeer in the sky. May we remember whatever stories we believe, we are the light, we are the love, we are the miracle we see. Now I know that times get hard, I know that there is suffering, I know we need justice, and I know we can do something. I know stories may sound simple, but they're not just tales we tell. We need the light, we need the love they show us in ourselves. So may we remember the gift we all can give. The most important story is the one we choose to live. We are the love of a baby, we are the burning of the light, we are the ones who shine in darkness, we are the stars in the sky, we are the love, we are the light. It's that time of year, time for telling stories. Happy New Year. There goes the streetcar, says hello too. Thanks for listening.